Now that we have the unit in place, you might want to anchor it down. If you anchor it down, the anchoring points are right here. You have a 1/2 inch anchoring point here, and then on the other side. In this case, we have an integrated scale, so we are not going to anchor it down. Anchoring it with a scale on it is going to affect the load cell, so you do not want to anchor it if you have that integrated scale. What we have here is 2 ramps. We have a standard ramp and this ramp that's used if you have a scale integrated into the machine. So the standard ramp here, notice it's shorter, it's a 3-inch height. Typically you would use this with the Model 800 if there was no integrated scale because the height would match up. However, the height is taller because of that scale. So you need this ramp, which gets you to the height of this, and then it's integrated with the standard ramp, making one, and combine it with these bolts. So this is gonna nest underneath here, bolt it together, and then we have some anchoring points. We'll bolt that in, and I'll show you what the anchoring points is in just a second. As you can see, now we have them both combined, nested in place. We bolted them together on both sides. Next thing we would do is we would anchor them down, anchoring point there, over here, and the same on the opposite side. And we have it lined up perfectly with the turntable.